Bonjour, baby. We are here today to work on the 180 for the Ibiza. For this young gentle sausage right here. We today are going to do a teardown of the video. Not the teardown of the video, the teardown of the engine, the motor. As you can see, Stav Ross has removed all the bollocks. I can't keep this accent up. Has removed all the bollocks. Seriously quality light in here. Just back this bitch up into the light. Or better than. Yeah, so he's taken most of the crap off. We still have an exhaust manifold for some reason, and a couple of little sensors. What's this sensor called? The sensor is called knock sensor and crankshaft position sensor. So we're going to start by top done, rock cover, camshafts, head, flip it, sump, pistons, rods, crank. Exactly how you take apart almost every 4-cylinder inline engine.
Unless it's a box.
I said inline. Boxes aren't inline. They are different. And then he's got a ton of parts to order from Pro Race Engineering. But that ain't nothing to do with us. So, let's get amongst it.
I swear they never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet to sign a major for the bankroll, but thank the Lord that I dies a penitentiary. Night sky, but my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Acrylics hella cloudy, or the poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a co-sign me. I don't even like me, no, I'm staring in the mirror indifferent. Who is this nigga? He claim me the realest, the shy, but timid. The riddles were fingers, they simple-minded. Find a road top, I'm taking it. From the ground, now we paving it. Hella boastful when I'm ventilating. Too much on my place, then they take a shit, yeah. New sounds, I make a facelift. I'm in a new town, I make the wave split. New talent, we accruing balance. Where I run the game until my shoe is calloused. On a loose gravel, keep the flame lit. I relay the message, nobody better. I'm bringing them careless, I want it forever, but I'm with whatever. Cause these days, I've been doing things my way. I can't hide away, make me feel this all on my face. Bitch, I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way. Hope the feeling don't fade. Yeah.
Quick little update. Just what's the little time lapse of us taking the camshafts and stuff out. I just see this. I don't know how I'm going to show it, but do the head. These are the head bolts, and these are like from the other camera. See it? So they're not. So this is a T. It's T50. I can't really get a focus. And then we got a T55. And the 54, somewhere in between. Turns out Volkswagen have a special tool for doing this. This is 10 out of 10. I recommend this. If you're not reusing your bolts like us, because they have RP head wear, stud wear, or bolt wear, whatever the fuck it is, they bolts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bolts. They don't use this special tool, so we're safe. So we can muller the crap out of these, getting them out, as long as we don't damage the head or the threads, which hopefully we won't. So I'm just gonna try and get this out. So I'll jump back into a time lapse.
So negative, how they envy how I edit it. Live my life just like it's precious. Just give me the mic and light it under lights. I put a knife and pressure, they fabricate it. Yeah, I been as quick to set them straight. Yeah, nigga next to detonate. California on the birth certificate. How we claiming they ain't seen the wave. How we painted on the level up. The tattered garments better starving artists. It's like 09, that was go time. Fuck a close man, that's where my heart is.
As always, there's something to let us down. Unfortunately, it's me this time. I haven't got a tool. You need a 19mm 12-sided socket to do that. I've got this, which I use for work, and I've got a 3/8 one, but it just sheared my adapter off. It's that tight and my impact gun's that powerful, so to be honest, it's cheap anyway. But all the pistons are out, so I was going to shine a light over here. All the pistons are out, they're down here. They all look great. I mean, honestly, this engine looks like it was rarely ever serviced. So, really, other than the... Can you just flip it over for me? Flip it down and reverse it. So, other than the crank, which is obviously still held in by... It's got your main seal in it, or rear main seal, each of the mains, front main seal, this obviously oil pump chain, and then this cover here.
Looks like it was PTFE.
I don't know what they used, but honestly, it was so thick, the silicone crap they used on the sump. I mean, look, where's the sump now? What have we done with it?
Down there.
Just pull it out. Look at that, that's actually like bits. It's actually, oh shit. It's actually like hard bits of something, but all the bearings look good. Try to think what that is. Next step, I think, is what? Get this block off to a local chap.
Yeah, get it somewhere to get it machined.
But don't need. So we're gonna get, yeah, to get it decked and then cleaned and stripped of all the like just rub like dirt and.
Yeah, so it will be decked, be brought up from 81mm to 83 to make it a 1.9. The head will be skimmed if it needs to.
Head, well, I just skim ahead, just for the sake of skimming ahead. The guy who did mine stripped it, skimmed it, pressure checked it, and then cleaned everything off, and then reset up all my valve clearances. I don't know if you have to do that on these because these are hydraulic, and I don't think Subaru was. It was sheer bucket and shimmed.
Yeah, no, these are self-clearing.
So that will go off somewhere and hopefully have something similar done to that. And then hopefully, you know, get some parts ordered when you know, in a week or so, and we'll have another video of us putting it together, which will be our first ever engine build, which will be a total laugh. Rather Stav's wallet than mine.
These are cheap EJs then.
Yeah, but the pistons, rods and bearings and stuff you're putting in it aren't cheap. Comes on booster first time, throws a rod out of the block, you're going to be sad. Okay, because there can be a lot of money wasted. But anyway, sounds like a you problem, not a me problem. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope the time lapse wasn't too boring and wasn't quite the result we were looking for, but it's a video, so ciao ciao. Day 2. Turns out I had a socket. I took it out. It's a big old bitch. I just pulled all the mains out, or main caps. Some little thrust washers, which I'm going to gently slide out. Stav's going to lift his crank out. Ta-da! So these bolts screw into that, and then these bolts are for this cover here. So you can't pick this up. This was a fucking right penis. Took like 20 minutes of prying the freaking thing to get it off. See, bro, can we take these out? Borong. This block is officially ready to be sent the fuck away. Oh no, you put them the other way around, didn't you? Oh, that's the middle one, so I can't fuck that one up. That was yours. Not that it really matters, because they're redundant anyway. Unless you plan on reusing their mains.
Match by a set of max speed and rods.
Oh.
Put everything back in so long it lasts.
Little squirters.
Yeah, to get them out.
They have to come out as well.
Yeah. I'm probably a machinist.
I don't know how things are difficult how to get out.
Just
Little
torque
torque
bits.
bits.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, that's officially the end of this video. If we get a chance to, well, we'll probably do another video when it's back from being cleaned up and probably film painting it and putting it back together and stuff. So, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao, ciao.
Toodles.